Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can create underwater effect on CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut, and if you want to create underwater effect, the first thing we're going to do is opening the effect option. Click on this effect option, and we're gonna put a video effect to our video. Click on a video effect, and here we have to select the light effect category. Okay, and we can scroll down until we find the water reflection effect. So this is the water reflection effect. We can click on it, and we can click on the check mark button, and we can extend the effect to make it align with the video like this. Okay, and to make it more realistic, I'm going to put underwater sound effect. So we can go to the audio and click on sound effect, and here we can search underwater. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Right, and I'm going to add this underwater sound effect, this one, and we can click on this plus button to add it to our video. Okay, and I think it's done, but I'm going to cut the sound first like this. And okay, now we can take a look at the result. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can create underwater effect on CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.